Starting with the name of Almighty Allah, who is the Lord of the Lords, who is the King of the Kings. I really welcome you all today in our video. It is day 3 and episode 3 of our journey from zero to fluent. So in the last video, we have discussed about articles, but in today's video, we are going to talk about something really essential. That's something like really basic, but we should know about it right from really zero. So today we're going to talk about noun. What is literally noun and how many types of nouns we have and how do they functions. So let's get started. Well, so noun, first we should know about the definition, what literally noun is. Noun is a part of speech. Noun is a part of speech that functions as the name of a person, place, thing, idea, or in grammar, nouns typically serve as the subject or object. Most of the time we use noun in our sentences as a subject or as an object, right? There are a lot of types of nouns we have, right, of noun, literally. So the first one is common noun. What is common noun? Names general items, like that could be book, any book. That could be country, any country. We are having 200 plus countries in this world. Like that could be any country. Boy, any boy. So they are common, right? ये जो है ना इसमें आम है, right? ये कंट्री है तो कंट्री मुल्क कोई भी हो सकता है. बुक है तो कोई भी बुक हो सकता है. इंग्लिश, बायो, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, कोई भी बुक हो सकता है. बॉय है, इमरान हो सकता है, कमरान हो सकता है, आसिफ हो सकता है, अली हो सकता है, कोई भी हो सकता है, right? But in the proper, in this case, name specific entities like English book. हर book English book नहीं होता, right? English book, that's a proper noun. Then we have Pakistan. Pakistan, that's a country. Our country is Pakistan, Pakistan, and Pakistan is literally a country. So that's why, like, it's proper noun. And then we have Ali. Ali is a boy, and boy is literally boy, but the one who is Ali, every boy is not Ali, but Ali is boy, right? That we have concrete noun, actually. Names, things you can perceive with your senses. That we can perceive them, we can observe them through our senses. That could be anything. That we can touch, we can smell, we can see, we can hear, we can taste, and all, right? So they are called concrete noun. That could be apple. We taste, we touch, and that's having like, that's something like really physical, right? Music. That could be any music. We hear that, we listen to the music. So that's what we perceive through our listening power. That's one of our senses. That we are having pen or marker. Suppose like marker I can touch it, I can see it. So that's why I can just feel it through touching or through watching or through looking at this marker, right? So there are concrete noun, right? The next one I have is abstract noun. Names, ideas, or qualities. That could be the quality we have or the feelings we have, the ideas as I mentioned here. So look at this. Names, idea, or qualities. That could be freedom, fear, beauty, truth, etc. Right? So we can't touch them, we can't see them, but we can feel them, right? We can feel them, and these are the qualities. That's why we name them abstract noun, right? And the one I haven't mentioned on the whiteboard that is known as compound noun. Noun plus noun is called compound noun, like police and man. Police, that's a noun, and man is also a noun. So when we combine them, that becomes policeman. Then we have bus and driver, so that becomes bus driver and more. So they are called compound noun. So it was a video about noun, and I'll be trying to improve my videos. Actually, I'm new here, So you have to compromise. The lighting is not really okay, well, the whiteboard is not really okay, and the camera maybe. So be passionate, and if you're having alacrity, of course you can learn. I wish you could have a very good time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.